Come now, gather around the mobile device to watch this imbecile open up a shoebox. I'm running out of ideas. Hi, welcome to the channel. Welcome to Beaterbox Friday, and I am SB Mitch. Give me a follow on Twitter. You can subscribe to the channel if you like videos like this. People like weird things, so why not? Hi, pals. It's early in the morning, if you can't tell by my rasp. It's not really raspy. But we got a beater box from Supremacy. This one is $950 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $1,000. I think the kids call that a rack. Clearance. It's a counter. The thing's gonna keep track of how much the box is actually worth. So let's see what's in this box. Fun fact about this box, this is probably the heaviest box I've ever gotten. So the chance of there being like a size 14 Yeezy 750, yeah, that's the ones, is pretty high. So I don't know, we'll see. Or it could be a bunch of grade school shoes. And I mean a bunch. Dude, really? $950 for the grade school shoes? Are you kidding me? All right, this is annoying. All right, let's look through the shoes. This is gonna take forever because there's literally, there's gonna be probably more than 15 pairs in this box. So first up, there's an Air Foamposite 1. It's a size 6.5 youth. This is the 2017 release of the metallic red Foamposite 1 because it's got the swoosh. It's in used condition. There's a little bit of outsole wear. Again, it's a grade school Foamposite, so probably won't fetch much money. There's your first pair, 6.5 youth metallic Foamposite 1s. Hey, if you want to buy that pair, get your parents' permission first. I'm just kidding. And buy them on sbmitch.com today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Next up, size 6 youth. These are Yeezy Foamposite Pros. It's obviously after the Blink Air Yeezy 1 colorway. Glow-in-the-dark outsole. In pretty good shape. Not really any drag or anything crazy going on. Just needs cleaned up. An okay shoe. I mean, it's a Foamposite. Foamposites have a high retail and not much resell. So there you go. 6 youth. Another Foamposite. This one is 6 youth as well. I don't know. It's not coppers because it's like a lighter tone. I don't know what this colorway is. It's Foamposite Pro. The outsole has some wear and some dirt, which I can clean up. There is some scuffing on the toe box here. It's in similar condition as the other ones and a close enough size. 6 youth. Air Foamposite Pro, grade school. I don't know what the colorway is. There's so many shoes in here. It looks like a lot. It looks like most of them are probably Jordans though, so that's good. 6 youth. This is the retro from 2017 to 2018. Got Altitude 13s. A really nice colorway of a 13 if you're into it. It's like Volt Black. Triple black and Jordan 13s always do really well. I don't know about the size though. The condition is pretty good. There's a little bit of creasing. No more Jumpman on the insole. So 6 youth, Altitude 13s. Another pair of 13s. This is the recent release. This is a 7 youth. Flint 13 is probably the best 13 colorway I personally have ever seen. These need cleanup. There's a lot of scuffs going on in the toe box, which I'm sure will be easy to clean up. Some outsole wear, not too bad. There was a 2011 release and these re-released last year or the year before. A really good colorway, nonetheless. 7 youth, Flint 13s, with no box. A lot of shoes in here with no box. Got a pair of 11 lows in a size 6 youth. Cool gray 11 lows, very nice colorway. Taking hints from the 2010 release of the cool gray 11s and the upcoming cool gray 11s. These are in really good shape, actually. There's just a little bit of outsole wear, some dirt and stuff like that. A little bit of discoloration, but nothing that a good cleanup won't help. But it's a good size, 6 youth. Jordan 11 cool gray lows. Another pair of grade school. I mean, these are all grade school, I think. It's a 6 youth Jordan 5. These are the gold medal 5s, I think, because they have a gold tongue. It's got some white upper, gold hints, black midsole, some scuffs on here. Should be easy to clean up. There is some outsole discoloration and wear, but pretty decent shape. So 6 youth. Gold medal 5s. Oh my gosh, there's so many shoes in here. Hey, a not grade school size. We got a US, I think this is a women's 8, so it's a women's shoe. It's a Air Max 97 women's release. So it's a US women's 8, translates to a US men's 6.5, so it's probably, this is all from the same seller, obviously, but I don't know what the colorway is called. Not a huge fan of the 97. Yeah, not bad. Women's 8, Air Max 97. No idea what the colorway is called. Oh, and these have no insoles. That's wonderful. 6 Youth, Gatorade 6s. Ugh, why did I say 5s? These have no insole. There's some damage on the lateral heel. At least I think that's damaged. Yeah, the paint's gone. So I don't know what happened to these. If you can find insoles for them, hey, more power to you. No insoles on either of these, but it's a 6 Youth Gatorade 6s. Really nice colorway, just questionable condition. 6 Youth again, got a Jordan 12 Gym Red. There's a full Jumpman on the insole, but again, worn, not heavily, no box. The outsoles are in really good shape actually. There's a little bit of discoloration, hardly any drag or anything like that. So these are worn, but just not worn very often. So another grade school pair without a box. Gym Red 12s, very good colorway actually. Looks like we're getting into some decent pairs though. This is a good pair. Unfortunately, no box. Another 6 Youth. We got a pair of the 2016 release top 3 Jordan 1s, which is a shoe made up of the top 3 OG Jordan colorways on a Jordan 1. Obviously, I don't know why I'm showing you guys, you probably know. Overall, the condition is decent. There's a lot of creasing, especially on the toe box. There is some heel drag, and there is some slight star loss on the forefoot, but overall, good shape, no box, pretty decent size, 6 Youth. Top 3 ones. You should see the pile next to me, it's so big.
That's what she said.
6 Youth Jordan 5 Retro Grade School. Got a pair of Grape 5s. These are in the same condition as the rest of them. Some toe box creasing, some outsole discoloration. Insole wear, no Jumpman left. And no lace locks, which is kind of a bummer, but I mean, it's a really good shoe. This is the 2013 release, so it's got a little bit of age on it. Classic colorway. 6 Youth. Grape 5s. I'm gonna be surrounded. Good luck taking a thumbnail photo, me. 6.5 Youth Jordan 5 Retro. That's exactly what these are. These are worn. Got a pair of reverse Bel Air 5s. These are, there's some creasing on the toe box. This is actually significantly better leather than any of the grade school pairs we've been going through because they finally realized, hey, maybe we should put a little bit better materials on grade school pairs. Little wear. There's a full Jumpman and the size sticker inside of there. Again, no lace locks though, which is kind of a bummer. This is just, I mean, it's a reverse, it's like an inverted Bel Air 5. And Bel Air 5s are a really great colorway. I think these look better, personally. 6.5 Youth, first Bel Airs. 6 Youth Jordan 9 Retro BG. Good colorway. Got a pair of Baron 9s. This is a really, really nice colorway. I think all the Baron colorways are very good. These just need to clean up and maybe a little bit of the yellowing on the outsole because these are a little bit older. I think these are from like 2014 or something, so really nice colorway. 6 Youth Baron 9s. 6.5 Youth Jordan 4 Retro So it's a 4. It's this colorway. A lot of cracking on the midsole and by the lower midsole too. Lateral side isn't as bad. This is a really cool colorway. It looks like a military blue 4 and there's like a hint of orange, especially on the Jumpman on there. So there you go. Cool colorway. 6 Youth, 6.5 Youth, Jordan 4. 3 more. It's the longest video of all time. Air Jordan 6 Retro OGBG. Very good release. Very good colorway. These are the maroon 6s. No lace locks on this pair. Again, I don't know why people keep on holding onto their lace locks, but I mean, it's a really nice, more of a sail upper than a white upper, but insole wear is pretty much there. Yeah, there's no Jumpman or anything. Just needs a clean up, just like the rest of them. 6 Youth Maroon 6s. 2 more in here, finally. One has a box. It's a 6 Youth Jordan 5 Retro BG. No, it is not. This is actually a really good shoe. 6 Youth has insoles. No, these are the 2016 release. We got a pair of Bred 1s, or Band 1s. These are worn pretty heavily. A lot of creasing. Decent amount of heel drag. There's a lot of gunk on the bottom of these. You guys can see how well I'll probably clean these up. But I mean, it's the most iconic Jordan 1, so it has some value. Band 1s and a 6 Youth. Should have saved those for last, but I actually have a real adult pair here. It's a size US men's 11. It's a Jordan 1. A pair of the Crimson Tint ones. This was a release that was The same quality as like the Pine Green 2.0s. Not great quality, but not bad quality. These are worn, obviously, no box. But it's a pretty cool release. I mean, pink is like super in right now, so why not? Size 11, no box, crimson tint ones. That's your last shoe. How many pairs are in here? 18 pairs of shoes in this box. Okay, so this box is disappointing in terms of movability, I think. So the way I reacted, this box is going to be a pain in the butt to clean up, first of all. But if you guys remember the All Grade School box that I got earlier this year, it ended up doing really well. Granted, that box was not $950. That box was like 300 something. So obviously it's gonna do really well compared to this. But the value is probably through the roof on this box. We'll see how well it does. Hopefully I'll be able to do a recap video on this box sooner than later. So if you want to buy any of these, cool, please do. They'll be on my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The website is sbmitch.com. Before that happens, they're all going to be cleaned up and, oh God, cleaning is going to take forever. They'll be cleaned up and disinfected with the Reshoevn8or family of products. And if you want to save some money on your next Reshoevn8or order, be sure to use my code SBMitch10 at checkout to save yourself 10% on your entire order. I don't really have anything else for you. I'm gonna go yell into a pillow about how much this box makes me angry. So we'll see you next time. Till then, remember to take care of each other and keep sneakers fun, because they're supposed to be fun. My voice is all messed up. Hi, no, see you later, bye.